Shred fat, get lean, and transform your body without losing energy or muscle mass. Fast, whole body fat burning, clinically backed ingredients, vegetarian and vegan friendly, advanced, high potency formula. Hardcore fat burner for the most ripped, lean, shredded body you've ever had. Its three-stage approach to fat loss improves, accelerates your body's own natural fat-burning processes for maximum calorie burn, activates specific fat-burning hormones that break down stubborn stored fat, amplifies your energy and mental focus to make cutting easier. Ready to get shredded? Choose your Prime Shred package now and get ready for the cut of your life.